And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a bokeh in Photoshop. There are various ways, but I'm going to show you two easy ones. Let's just open a random image. You can find that via the description link below this video. Now we copy it, press Ctrl J, and we will work with the copy. A simple way to create a bokeh is to simply use an image that has a bokeh only. You can find that also on Unsplash. Paste it here, rotate it while holding Shift so that it snaps. Then increase its size, press Enter. And now change the blending mode. Most of the time, screen is a good blending mode for this effect, but you should also check out multiply, overlay, hard and soft light. But we will stick to screen with this image. Let's just rename it. Create a layer mask. And if we now use the brush tool and have the layer mask active, we can erase parts of the bokeh if we, for example, want the model to be more prominent in our composition. Make sure black is the foreground color to conceal. If you want to reveal what you've just concealed, you just have to press X and use the white color. But let's say you don't have such an image. Try to find an image instead that has lots of lighting in it. We will call that Bokeh 2. Once again, you'll find that on Unsplash via the description link. Then go to Filter, Blur and Lens Blur. Let's decrease the size a little bit. And here you can change the shape of the iris. We will stick to triangle. Make sure your source is none. The other options may be useful if you want to have the background of the image not affected by this lens blur. Then start with threshold, which might be the most important factor in this effect. Try out brightness, which increases the brightness of the lens blurs or decreases it. You can play a bit around with the radius and make the lens blurs bigger. The other effects don't really produce good results in our example. If you're done with your image, just click on OK. It might take some time for Photoshop to process it. I'm going to speed up this video. Afterwards, press Ctrl C to copy it. Go back to your original image, press Ctrl V to paste it. Reposition your object, transform it. And when you're done, press Enter and change the blending mode. Once again, screen seems to be the best option here. And we can also use the layer mask to conceal certain parts of the bokeh layer, of our Bokeh 2 layer, to make the model more prominent. Obviously, the results may vary depending on the images that you use. As you can see, this image produces smaller bokehs, but more of them than our Bokeh 1 layer. So the selection of the images plays a big role in this effect. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.